Okay, here's a little video of the ice storm. I don't know if you can see it really good or not. They're starting to melt. But we haven't had a storm like this, not in the 22 years we've been here. Not very much snow. Just a lot of ice. Ice. That's why the power was out all day yesterday. So we had two little dachshunds that kept us entertained all day yesterday. Anybody without power should have dachshunds for entertainment. That's for sure. But at least it's starting to melt. It's supposed to get in the 40s today. So that's good news. But this was pretty rough yesterday. I think my neighbor, she lost a lot of branches that fell down. Well, this one's really icy out here. Got this, and that poor little dachshund down here got ice all over her. This is about gone. It was sticking straight up. So anyway, this is a video of our ice storm. But luckily we had our two babies to keep us entertained.